Good morning, day. I don't know what, 11, 12? No, I don't know. We're doing rainy road walks today. Sherry dropped us off. She's too wimpy to go in the rain today. She's going to go shopping. Okay, we're going to do 14 and a half miles. Here we go. All right, here's a little blue blaze. 700 feet to Farm Road. That's where we're headed. It's raining on us again. Get to go on a farm road. Yay. Here's our sign. Going this way. Still walking on farmers' land. I just found all their beehives back here. That's cool. Oh, I love the farm owners that let us walk through their land. Trail users welcome. Too bittersweet falls. But I'm not gonna go back there. Clouds are hanging low. I scared them away. I scared them all away. Look at them all. They were just sitting here. I made noise and suddenly they ran to that side. Sorry, turkeys. Didn't mean to scare ya. Okay, back in. We crossed a road and we're going back into some farmer's property. More farmland. Heading back to Middlebury. Very pretty. Nice even path through here. Like all the wildflowers. Ooh, so pretty. Now this part of the path has little stakes in the ground. It's taking us right through the middle of somebody's farm, which is kind of fun. Yeah, we're following these little signs. There's blue blaze on this rock. Still going through the farmer's field. Bridgey here with shingles on it so we don't slip in the rain. I love that. Very wet shoes and pants. Yeah, putting shingles on this is the best thing anybody can do. I wish that people did it on every boardwalk, bog board, and all that kind of stuff in a wet area. So it's very helpful. Someone shot at the goose and we were by them. Here's a little sign over here, which makes me think we go through this field. Not sure. Gotta check. Taking a little break. We've been walking for 10, 11, 2.5 hours. We've gone about 5 miles. We have 9.5 to go. So a little more than a third there. We're taking a little break. Here's our break spot. The boardwalk that we just walked across. Fields view, which is nice. Okay, just walking along, minding our own business. I'm gonna stand by this sign, like that will protect me. This North Country Trail sign will protect me. I heard a noise in the woods. The NCT is protecting me. I don't know what it was. It might have been a deer. Whatever it was, I hope it stays in the woods. Especially if it's a moose. If it's a moose, I'm gonna go hide behind that sign right there. I don't see anything. I don't hear anything either. I hear something in there. Go away, whatever you are. Okay.
I'd also accept a sworn affidavit that will never speak of this again. After the way you
We're listening to an audiobook while we walk.
I don't think so.
Emily Henry,
When we reach the front
book
steps
lovers.
and try
It's
to
passing the time.
please.
This is the way we go. We're continuing on this town. Arnold Bridge open to Wright Park. All right, onward through this field. Through another field. In the rain, still. Now we're in a woodsy trail. Heading south toward town. We're going across this bridge. Oh gosh, it's wobbling so much. Okay. Alright, I'm off. Woo. There's another one over there. Arnold Bridge, it said. Oh, that's pretty. Wow. Very pretty. Now we go down to town. My feet are ready to be done. They're soaking wet. Beautiful. Otter Creek. Took the easy route instead of the hard one. Happy about that. And there's a nice new bridge down here to cross. Pretty. Even a step up. Oh, that's good. Wet shoes. It's a nice bench. There's its view. Oh, it just flew. It just flew that way. I think I got it on video, but from afar, I saw it go swoop. Oh, that's so cool.
It's so beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
And you turn this mega around.
Yeah, he went over there. It's a nice bridge here. Back there was some nice gravel path with like wood boards along the edge. Yeah, doing some work on this trail. It's very nice. And here's what they had back there. It was on a smaller scale back there. It's much wider and nicer here. Yeah. Very, very nice. This is also called the Tam Trail around Middlebury. It's that first, and then they let the North Country Trail share the trail with them. We just had a nice break on that picnic table over there. And now we are headed down the road to town. Okay, that's where we just came from, where we had our little lunch. Look at the bridge I just walked past. I didn't even notice. They still use it. Somebody just drove in on the right. It's a two-sided bridge. It's kind of fun. Built in 1853, rebuilt in 2012. Pope Bridge. There's no high water today, so we should be okay. Because we're going under there. Okay, we stopped at Greg's Market and Deli for this. Yeah, gotta get me through the rest of this hike. They also, even though it says on their door, no public restrooms, they were so kind and they let us use it. Swift House Inn. And then here it is. Look how pretty that is. Up on the hill. There's the carriage house. That's very pretty. Somebody's fun wood pile along the way. So cute. You can't really tell, but we're climbing and climbing and climbing on this road. Maybe you can see that direction. It goes way down. We're going to Chipman Hill Park, and I feel like we're climbing the hill right now. We'll see when we get there. Look at that. So pretty. That's beautiful right there. Wow. Made it to the top sort of, and then we went down this little path. It goes down a little bit. And there's this nice little bench here, and it has a view. If it wasn't so cloudy, it'd be very lovely. I gotta climb back up now. Okay, up I go. All right, we can't see the city, but the clouds are so low. We're tired. This thing is just climbs and climbs and climbs forever and ever. But if you need a break, there's a bench. We got turned around, and then we went over by, I don't know what it was, some kind of fenced in area, and then we went down a hill by construction stuff to try to get back to our trail. And now we're bushwhacking down the hill, hopefully to connect with where we're supposed to be, so we don't have to climb back up the dumb hill. Now we're just doing crazy things because we don't want to climb up a hill. But we'll get down here. It might take us a while, but you know, we'll make it. We're back on the trail. Thanks to Rhonda. I was too chicken. I'm like, no, let's not go this way. We found it. Beauteous. Some color. Got some clouds on the mountains. Hello? Are you gonna move? We won't hurt you. We promise. Last little mile till the car. Back in the woods. All right, we're finally coming out of the woods for the day. It feels like we've been in the woods for hours and hours. We have been in the woods for hours and hours and hours. Oh, here we are in a meadow. We're almost to our car. Oh my goodness. What a day. All right. Gotta follow this little edge and it will lead to us to the car. Thank God. We're so tired. Oh my goodness. Okay. We made it. We've been hiking for about 10 hours, if that tells you anything. We are done for the night, and we'll check in tomorrow and let you know what our plan is. Good night.